ladies and gentlemen, this is the fourth part where we are going to start about the lists in HTML. What is the list? What does the list do? What can you do with the list? This is going to be unfolded in just a little moment. So you must have that Visual Code Studio like I have said. So we are going to open and go to the fourth lesson. So we open the same folder and come back to our lessons and click the fourth lesson and say lesson 4.html. And now we shift exclamation mark, abbreviation, and now we start the fourth chapter, which is lists. So with header one, we must check whether our live server is working. You just type we are going to study about lists. Control S to save. Then to open with live server, you may click like this and only right click and come to open with live server. But here you may click also Control Alt P to open once and for all. Here you see our document is working. We are going to start about the lists, and here you come to this document and say we want to name it lists. Yes, and you came here, you see list is here. Don't be fooled by this simple image that you see here. I will talk it about later. The reason why it appears here, this is the AMP localhost that I use within my computer, which opens every document, every website related contents that is made either HTML, Python, JavaScript is also opened by this localhost, which is AMPS. You may download it because it is good and install it. It will help you to learn easily and fast within your computer. So you come to study list. We have two types of the list. There is ordered list and unordered list. How they are differentiated. So if you want to order the list is the list that you can count either from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You may come here and say order the list or error, and you came list to put something inside this list. You write li and you say, for example, school coding. That is the first part. And you write another thing which is link. Not link, it is a list. We say, sorry, you say man of people of people. He may come again and he say, add another item and say shoes of them. You come and add another item and say like home is fine. Control S. Then when you have already saved it, you come here, you see how it is ordered. List type, you may say that you want them to go in alphabetical order. You come here and say in alphabetical order, but capital letter. You see they say A, which is the capital letter, stands for capital letter. Control S, you see it goes by A, B, A, B, C, D, but in capital letter. If you wanted to change it in lowercase, you came here and just type A, simple A like that, Control S, you see, A, B, C in lower cases. And when you want it in numbers, you write number. For example, can you say 1? No? Yes, 1, 2, 3, and 4. It goes like that. And what if you want them to go in Roman, you come and say italic. You see, E is Roman, but the second it is I1, I2 Roman, which is in the lowercase. You take that Roman which is in the uppercase, and you come, you see, I, double I, triple I, and 4 in Roman. And when you wanted it to be in the lowercase, you come like this, and you do it like that. That is ordered list. It is the list which is countable, like you see, 1, 2, 3, and 4. An ordered list. An ordered list. An ordered list is somehow so crucial. It is an ordered, and nothing, it is not even ordered, nothing of orderness that appears within it. You may say it is an ordered list which is UR, and then you came and copy this list, Control C, and then you add it there. When you Control S, you will see something like this. You see? You see? Shoes, homes, fine, but it is not ordered, it is just dots. And you can come here and say that this type say the type none. Let's see whether there is something which may happen there. You see, the type is none, nothing. If we say nothing want to be there, it happens like that. Check. Check mark. Let's see whether it works. No, it works there. And you see, this is all ordered an ordered list. So there is something that I didn't say before. If you want to make a comment in HTML, what can you do? You control backslash, and you see that is something that is there, which is a location where the comment is pressed. You may come here and say this course is super easy, is super easy, and you come here, then Control S. This comment may not appear within the website. You see, nothing appeared there. And if you want to comment the entire part, you come here and then control backslash to comment each and every thing that is there. When you say Control S, nothing will happen, that an ordered list will not appear on our browser. So that is not to mean that you have been deleted. It is there, but when something is commented, it is commented within this VS Code Studio, and we never up here on our browser. So control backslash to back them, and that is there. Control S to save. Then it happens again. I'm back to School of Coding. Man of the People, Shoes of Them, and home is fine. So we are going to mix this ordered list and an ordered list. So you may come here. We want to nest ordered list and an ordered list within a list, either ordered or unordered. For example, we want to nest an ordered list within ordered list. For example, ordered list we write like this, and you may come back and copy this. Control C. Then you come here, Control V. If you want them to be to put something that is ordered, you may say unordered. You may come here down about to simple coding and say, for example, you wanted to put there an ordered list, you put there like this, and say rest again, red shoes. Then you come here again and say this is black shoes. You came here again and say this is white shoes, and then you come here again and say this is golden shoes. You use them like this. You come inside the list. You may say that you want this to be something that is representing these things, and you say that you want to nest within that list and order the list. You put there and order the list and say Control S to save. Then you see inside the ordered list there is an ordered list which is saying red shoes, black shoes, white shoes, and the golden shoes. So if you want to put there another thing which is an ordered list, you may come here downward, home is fine, and inside the home is fine list, you may say I wanted to put something there to mean everything that is downward, and put there, for example, you just write an ordered list like this, and then you say Kigali, you say Bujumbura, you see you Kishishe, you say yes, this is an ordered list. This is an ordered list, but you want to put their ordered list. To just change everything once and for all, you come here and you say I want to put there an ordered list, and just type in O and L like that. Control S, you see there it opens that this is the ordered list, which is Kigali, Bujumbura, and Kishishe, which is 1, 2, and 3. As you see here, it begins with ordered list. Inside the list, which is an ordered, with the parent of an ordered. So thank you for following. This is also the best part of ordered list and unordered list. When you come here to check whether this is working very well, you come here and also check using different phones. Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra and iPad here. You come here and come to Galaxy Fold 5, and you see it is responsive. The responsiveness of the website is that all content of the website appears in the browser of that material that you are using. So we didn't do anything. We have not yet added the images, videos. We are preparing also the same course to do them. Don't hesitate. I will go time by time and I will show you each and every thing. Simple and see. Simple, you will understand how these things works like. So thank you to follow. This is Coding Academy. Don't hesitate, just do share, like and subscribe. That is the great help for me. Good times, enjoy the best days to come with Coding Academy. Thank you.